today he didn't allow me to borrow his card. I said, I will buy you t-shirt. Said, no. No, no. I hope it's peaceful so I can interview my husband. I hope it's peaceful so I can interview my... Why? Where is your husband, Sis Alex? Why you wanted to interview your husband? Diba Sis Alex, yung husband mo, nandiyan na? Magkasama na kayo? Yeah, very, 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 very rich. So, kanya-kanya kaming bili. Kanya-kanyang diskarte yung mga tao dun sa bahay. Pag sinong nakahawak ng card, yun, kanya-kanyang bili. Ngayon, hindi ko nabitbit.